Welcome to the final part of this animation tutorial series. In this video, we'll combine all our render scene and turn them into complete product video using Blender Video Editor.
If you enjoy Blender tutorial on modeling, lighting, animation, and product visualization, you are in the right place. Now you can become a channel member and unlock exclusive perks like early access to all my tutorial video. And the best part, at the end of each month, you will get a complete blend file pack containing all the project file from every tutorial released that month. Just hit the join button below to become a member and support this channel to grow. Okay, that's all. Let's start the tutorial.
After you're done rendering everything, go to the file, new, video editing. Let's change the resolution here, 2K, Shift A, image sequence. On your render result, I'm going to select it for each scene, just like this, shoot one, then A, everything, Shift A again, shoot 2, press A, hit the enter. After you've done everything like this, let's adjust them one by one. After you're done, put them one by one like this. Click the last frame here, press G. It's 330 frame. Change the FPS to 30 and change this one to 330. We can hit the spacebar to see the result. Okay, that's pretty good. Then I'm going to pixabay.com, click here at the sound effect, and I'm looking for the boss sound. I'm going to download this one. I will search and download the sound effect that I need in this site, and I will share it with you guys, link in the description below. Then back to our Blender, go to the first frame, press Shift A, add a sound, find your sound. I'm going to use this one maybe. Yep. Then Shift A, add another sound. I'm going to use this one and put it here. Shift A again. Okay, but I'm going to cut this and delete this one. I'm going to adjust it till here. Okay. Shift A again. I'm going to use this one and put it here. Shift D, duplicate it. Put it here at the transition. Click here. Duplicate it. And here. Shift D, duplicate it. Okay. Okay, Shift A. Let's add the click sound. I'm going to use the last one here. Put it here, K, cut, and here, K to cut. Let's hide this for now. Delete the back here. Move this here. Let's duplicate it. Okay. Let's change the volume. Let's delete this one. Then I'm going to add another. This one. Going to put it here. Shift duplicate it. Let's move this up. Okay, let's change the volume here to 0.5. Let's add a music. The sound, let's check this out later. Okay, cut here, delete this, and let's put it here. Then we can add some text. Shift A, add a text. Let's put it up here. I'm going to move it, till here. Select your text and click here. Change to anything you want. Then for the font here, click open. Select the font. And we can adjust the size also. I'm going to make it a little bit dark. Okay, then go to the frame 10. Let's move down here, opacity here. Press I, insert keyframe, then go to the first frame. Let's make it 0, insert keyframe. Let's see the result. Okay, then let's add another text. Let's just duplicate this one. Just put it somewhere around here. Change the text. Right width here. Adjust it. Okay, I'm going like this. I guess we need to add more frame. Let me expand over here. But we run out of animation. I'm just going simple trick like this. Shift A. Add image sequence. Find your render result. I'm going straight to the last frame. This one. Add strip, just put it here. We'll get this result. And let's expand over here. Okay, and this one. Click here. Opacity, insert keyframe. Then go to the last one here. Let's make it 0. Insert keyframe. Okay, it's only an additional for the last one here. You can Shift A, image sequence, and add your logo. Put here and click add. Let's add a fade in. Nope, it's not pretty good. Let's just put it down here, expand this a little bit, and put it to the end. And this one, let's adjust it. Expand the music, then add a fade out. Okay, that's all. Then set your output, name it to anything you want. Then we can start to render it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. Got any question or suggestion? Drop them in the comment below. And if you wanted to support this channel and have an early access tutorial, check out the membership link in the description. See you on my next video.